What percentage of Bitcoin right now is being used to purchase items?
Oh, very, very small. There was more monetary value of Bitcoin spent in 2011 than there is now.
What's causing that?
This mantra of gambling that Bitcoin's a way of making money without tax, that whatever else. I think majority of sort of sales are onto exchanges for people wanting to make money without being taxed and things like this. And which is really stupid because they're going to find out that they have no money. The requirements are already in place. The laws are already in place. It takes time to kick in. So in 18 months from now, the provisions in Money Laundering Directive number 5 that hits Europe and Britain, and it will be a criminal act to have wallets that don't link to identity and hold more than 150 euros worth of value. There's not much money.
Craig, let me ask you, right now, Bitcoin, as of right now, I just ran it, it's 9,226, okay, right now. Is Bitcoin more likely to go to $100,000 or more likely go to $100?
BTC is not going to go to $100,000. Full stop.
It's not going to go to $100,000?
No.
If you're somebody that's an analyst and you're making a prediction, are you saying higher or lower?
Lower.
How much lower?
In time, a lot. The problem is, I mean, people don't realize, people forget. So go back 20 years. We had digital money. We had industries doing this. Bigger than now.
Who?
So we had eGold, Mnet, a whole lot of peer things that were having people invest money into Ponzi's once again. And with the stock market crash and all the rest, they went basically bust. They all disappeared. So just believing things will go up because they'll go up doesn't work. This is dogfood.com. If you don't have something here that actually makes money, that actually does the work, that is an empty promise, eventually it ends. It means Amazon, not dogfood.com. If you don't have a system that transfers more volume every day at a lower rate, more efficiently, more effectively than, say, Visa and MasterCard and all these other things, if they're not using your system as a transmission system, then eventually someone's going to replace you. Sitting there going, we're Bitcoin. No, sorry. You either build something better or else. That's just the way the world works. You may not like it, doesn't matter. This is how it is. People are fickle. We want to see you doing things. We want to see you build things. And this concept, there are everyone who will ever get into Bitcoin based on a store of value that goes up on price, the Ponzi scam, they're here. They're no more. They're gone. That's it. The whole, everyone you'll be able to scam is right here in Bitcoin. The rest of the people out there don't care. The rest of the people will care when this is digital cash. Not that they make money on, that they use. Until that happens, it's not happening.
It's a pretty bold prediction right there to say you are Satoshi Nakamoto and it's 9,226 and it's got more likelihood of going to $100 than it does to go to $100,000.
I don't consider BTC Bitcoin. I mean, there's no SegWit in Bitcoin. The concept of what they're selling is not what I created.